They have a summer ski center here, and that is amazing.
So we're basically just going up from summer to winter.
Yeah.
In the same day.
Hello? Excuse me? Excuse me, sir. Okay, bye-bye. I love it when she eats pizza. She starts from like the wrong way.
Yeah.
This
Den var god.
looks amazing though.
This was very good.
This is a beautiful day.
It is.
The temperature is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Okay? Yeah.
Much for having us.
Thank you for coming and welcome back to Hardanger Fjordtun.
Of course we will. We've had a really good time.
After 2 minutes, it was a bus just like boom, all of the place.
All the ladies like beside me that didn't know that the drone was mine, and she was like, "Oh my god, those things are awful." And then she was like, "Is that yours?" I was like, "Yeah, that's mine." She was like, "Oh."
We had to stop here because we had to charge the car before going to Vøringsfossen. But now it is soon done, and then we are on our way.
Going up to Vøringsfossen, and it's misty, and I don't know even if I can fly the drone in this.
Oh, I don't think so. We can barely see. Look at this.
Ah, they took the last parking spot.
Oh no.
You little weasel.
Maybe someone will.
Okay, it's a race between us and the yellow car. And as soon as I see an opening, yeah, I won. I win. When everything is a competition. And he just woke her up. I didn't. She woke up by herself. It's never Amir's fault. Like, look at this. There's supposed to be 3 waterfalls here. Like one over there, and one right under. Yeah. I just spoke with a family who's been here for 2 days and they haven't been able to see anything. So I should be able to take some stairs here where I get further down. And if I do and I can see an opening, I should be able to see it better. And if I do, I should be able to get a shot. They have closed up. It seems like there's construction on that other side. So we need to be able to get past them, hopefully without getting noticed. Sometimes you have come too far to turn back for glory and countrymen.
Turning around for like 1 second and Amir is gone and I'm just like, where is Amir? All the way down there at the...
Woo! Look at this!
Yeah, a bit.
We've been driving all day today.
Yeah, this has been a long driving. It's fun, but a long day.
Yeah, we've been driving since 10.
And we've seen a lot of places.
And Bea has been such a good girl.
She is so... Yeah. She is the best.
You had it fun today too. Looking for a stand.
Om jag tar du med den så har jag med Bea.
Bea.
Oh, hey. Lika. Yes, är det pappa?
Bea is vlogging right now.
Yeah, she is.
Oi.
Oh, wow. Heldig.
We have now checked in and so far it has been amazing. Bea, do you like it? Yeah?
What are you doing?
I have no toothpick, so I need something pointy. I need to get it out.
I swear one day, this guy here